So, hello guys! And nandito nga pala kami sa guys, sa South Children Hospital. Parang outpatients, kuan siya, surgery. Parang ganun. And then, nandito kami dahil nga pinapunta kami ng pediatrician ni Ethan dito. At patingnan if kailangan ba lagyan ng air tube yung kaniyang tainga dahil nga palagi itong nagkaka-infection guys, and then masama sa kanyang katawan na palagi siyang umiinom ng antibiotic. So yeah, so ayun guys, so see you later guys. So tingnan natin, mag-update na lang ako if lagyan ba siya ng ng air tube. Si Ethan sa fish. Ano yung labas nila guys, so, overlooking siya guys. Ito ay Children Hospital, something like Children Hospital South. Tapos si Ethan andun ay. So, nandito kami guys for Ethan check up sa kanyang tainga. Ethan, ENT doctor.
Owns the fish. We're gonna talk to the doctor. He owns the fish. Yeah. We're gonna see the doctor. He owns.
We're riding. We're leaving. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go in.
Yeah, come on. Which one, Mama?
In. Close door.
I'm sorry.
Oh, gee.
Maybe you're going too far.
You like it? One.
Yeah. There we go. This is the one we gotta have.
You hold daddy.
Oh, come on. Now you gotta use this real quick. All right. Okay, Mama?
Yeah. We're going out. Going out, huh? Yeah, let's get out na. Let's get out. Let's get out. It's a bit. We're out na guys. So, tapos na kami guys. And then, sabi ng doctor is, ayaw nilang maglagay ng air tube, especially autistic daw. So, ma-feel better daw si Ethan kanang pag-summer na. Okay ra daw iyahang dunggan pag-summer na. So, hintay lang kami ni Mr. guys, nag-CR. Dito kami sa labas. Tingnan nyo to. So, which is okay ba dahil alam ko masakit yun ba, no? Nanawa ko sa aking anak mo paglalagyan siya ng ganun. So, dito kami nag-park. Dito lang siya guys. Ito lang siya yung Children Hospital na South, yung pang outpatient surgery daw to. Aywan ko. Yan yung nakalagay doon. Meron pa silang basement doon. So nice ang nasa loob dahil overlooking. So ito yung nila parkingan. And dito kami nakapark. So ayun lang guys. And andyan si Mr. Let's go. And go with daddy. Go. Go with daddy. Go Ethan. Go Ethan. Oh, nagkaon siya. Pinakain ko ng guys para magganang kuan kay iyak ng iyak. Ayan yung umalis sa fish aquarium doon. Go. Go. Sakit na ulo ko eh. Ano to? Today is Friday guys, so sinama kami ni Mr. mag-pick up ng check, bayad sa kanyang customer. So ayan, then uwi na kami after ito. Ayan. Nasa bahay na kami guys, and then tulog si Ethan, napapagod siya. So ayun lang yung ating vlog for today guys. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.